Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today I am telling you why I love doing Weight Watchers. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I love doing Weight Watchers. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am on a healthy weight loss journey. At this point, I've lost almost 25 pounds. I know it seems like I've been saying that forever, but you know what? I really don't care because I'm going to hit over 25 this week. I feel it in my bones. I can see it. And not only that, but I went to the store and I bought some dresses recently, just a couple. And my size, I've gone down 2 dress sizes. So it's always not just about the number on the scale. Weight Watchers even says that non-scale victories. What is that? It's something that you're accomplishing, that you're doing great in, but it's not reflective in the number on the scale. So again, I've gone down 2 dress sizes. And I only tell you the number because it's important. Numbers don't lie. And I know that too. My mom used to always say, if you watch any of my videos, I'll be like, Mom, I think I lost weight. And she'd be like, what the scale say? That's the first thing she would say. I lost her a couple years ago, for those of you who do not know. So anyway, let's get right into it. So I have lost weight on the scale, but I also have a lot of non-scale victories. I'm feeling better. I'm moving better. I'm doing me. I'm enjoying life. I take you on different journeys with me as I go to new experiences, try new foods, and it's just been amazing. But I'm going to give you 5 concrete reasons today why I love Weight Watchers, okay? Number 1 is a supportive community, okay? Weight Watchers has other people that are doing the same thing you are. It makes it easier when someone's walking the same journey as you. If you're talking to a room full of thin people who never had a weight problem, they don't understand what you're going through, quite frankly. But you're in another room with people most people who are overweight, the majority, have suffered with this all their lives. It's not something new to them. Now, you have a few that gained weight maybe during a pregnancy or due to medication. But the majority of people that are overweight, I venture to say, have had problems since they were little, since they were small, like myself. I always say I came out of my mama's room big, okay? Because she said I was 9 pounds, almost 9-pound baby. So I've always been larger. But the supportive community, being able to connect with people that have the same issue as you. So you're able to do this online and in-person meetings right now. So I do online. Weight Watchers did get rid of a lot of their in-person meetings recently, just downsizing like everybody else. And now everything is online. People love the online meetings. You either love it or you hate it. I personally love it because I know every week I'm going to be online. I love Zoom. And I've been doing my meetings every week. I've not missed one, maybe one. But since I've been doing this almost, I started in March. So March, April, May, June, July, August. About 7-8 months. I've missed maybe 1 meeting. When I first started, I was doing like 2 or 3 because they run like from 6 in the morning till 11 at night. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to catch a meeting. And you get so much support from your coaches. And all the coaches are great. They all are great. But I have about 2 or 3 that I just love. I just really love. Sunday morning, I love Marion. She's 9 o'clock. Coach Michelle. I just have to catch her when I catch her. I think she's more of an evening weekend kind of person. Michelle B, I think is her name. So I have a few that I just love, but they all are great. They all have did Weight Watchers. Some of them have lost more than others. I like my coach Marion on Sundays. She's lost 100 pounds and maintained it for 30 years. 30 years, because a lot of times people do these quick diets and then they don't maintain it. So what's the point of losing it and then you're not maintaining it? So that's the number 1 reason why I love Weight Watchers is that online community, okay? Number 2, why I love Weight Watchers is no forbidden foods. You can have whatever you want. It's not restricted. It's not no carbs. It's not low carbs. It's not no fat. It's not any of that. You do want to make healthier choices like your fruits, your vegetables, your lean proteins, right? But it's not like you cannot have anything. You guys know I keep me some baked Cheetos. I got some, I showed y'all my snacks before. But I was thinking if I was going to show y'all right quick. I will. Let me show you. But I keep me some baked Cheetos. I keep my snacks. And I have my popcorn. Really quick. So I keep my popcorn, my baked Cheetos. These are some little pop. They're called pop popcorn, like little spicy things, and these are like 3 or 4 points, because sometimes when you're doing a diet, and I don't even really call it a diet, I'm on a way of life. But when you start doing stuff like this, you're like, oh, I can't have this, I can't have that, no carbs, low carbs, no meat, no bread, I'm vegan, you know, it's overwhelming. You get to a point, you're like, I ain't doing nothing. So the main thing I love about Weight Watchers is literally you can have anything you want, you can. You just have to do it within moderation, okay? And of course, you still want to always pick the lean and fruits, the lean meats and fruits and vegetables. Why? Because even though I've lost this weight, my cholesterol number went up. Yes, it did. My blood sugar number went up, right? Why? Because even though I'm making healthier choices overall, when I eat out at restaurants, the way they prepare it is terrible. They put extra butter, extra salt. So the numbers don't lie. I've never had a cholesterol problem, but due to losing my mom and my dad and my father-in-law and my sister, all this grief I've been going through, the last year, quite frankly, I have not been cooking at home. So I've been eating out a lot. So that is reflective in my numbers. So I'm not preparing my own food. I was not. Now I'm cooking now after I went to the doctor because I was not happy about those results. My cholesterol has never been high. And I know what it is. It's from eating out. I might have grilled chicken out, but they're preparing it in butter. I might have double broccoli while I'm eating out, but they're preparing it in butter and extra salt. So eventually I got to the point I was like, whoa, wait a minute. I don't need no salt and butter on my broccoli. I'm good. It depends on what you can eat and what you can tolerate. I don't need all that extra butter on my broccoli. So I tell them now when I go to restaurants, no, don't do that, okay? So let's get to number 3. So number 1 is a supportive community. Number 2 is forbidden foods. Nothing is off limits you can have. There are no forbidden foods. Number 3 is evidence-based, okay? What do I mean by that? Weight Watchers been around for 50 years, y'all. People have been losing weight. The members trust it. I trust it. It's safe. It's effective. There's no pills. So for me, that's evidence. I've been going around for 50 years, and it's been working for all these people. All these people can't be wrong, y'all. Now, is it a little slower? Yes. You ain't losing 20 pounds in 1 week on Weight Watchers. Okay, you just not. That's for another video, because I'm gonna do another one about 5 reasons why it may be kind of iffy sometimes for some people. But anyway, back to this one. So all these people are not just losing weight for the heck of it, you know. Now, and there are no pills and stuff. Now, they are doing medications over at Weight Watchers. Now I did a whole video on Ozempic is the medication that they're writing. I don't particularly like that idea because I already know it's not gonna work long term for people. I don't do it, but I know that Weight Watchers did start some kind of thing where they're experimenting with writing drugs because that's what the people want. As a company, it's still a business at the end of the day. They have to make profits. So if I'm gonna get Ozempic or you're gonna buy Ozempic, Weight Watchers is like, hey, we might as well be selling it, okay? Why are we gonna let you go over there and buy it, you know? So that's a different topic for another day. But I do have a little video that I did about Ozempic. But it is fact-based. It's been around 50 years. The people have been doing it forever, okay? Now, number 4 is the personalized approach with Weight Watchers. What do I mean by that? So it takes into account your weight, your height, your gender, if you're male or female. It's customized for you. If you're a diabetic, even, they have a diabetic plan. They do have vegan plans too, you know. So whatever it is that you want to do with the plan, you can customize it. So for myself, they even have a vacation mode. So for example, if you're on vacation, Weight Watchers, for those of you who do not know, I should have did this in the beginning of the video. I might do another one. It's based on points right now. So you get like 25 points, 50 points, depending on your weight, how old you are, how tall you are, all this, right? So, but as you continue to lose weight, the points may drop. They may go down. So like when I first started, I had 29 points. Now that I've lost weight, I'm at 26 points. And you have to remember where you are on that point system, because 3 points, if you go over every day, can end up in weight gain. In a couple weeks, I didn't realize, I said, you know what? Oh my God, I lost weight. So my points have dropped, you know, so you have to take that into account. But anyway, You get to pick what you want to choose. No one's walking around telling you you need to do this, you need to do that. And they simplified it so much in the fact that when I did Weight Watchers years ago, because this is not my first rodeo doing Weight Watchers. This is my first time doing this successfully. This is my first time doing it long term. But you used to have to write in a book, and you carry this book around with you everywhere you went. And I was like, I ain't doing that. So I'm kind of lazy when it comes to stuff like that. It has to be simple. It has to be no drama for me to do it. So now it is, because I have my phone with me all the time. I just tap in my app, and I'm doing good. So anyway, you can customize though for yourself. And that's where I was going earlier too. So like if you're on vacation, and typically I get 26 points now, but if I put it in vacation mode, it'll give me a little bit more points that I can eat and not actually gain weight. So that's something new too. So you might check that out. And the last thing I love about Weight Watchers is the flexibility. The flexibility. Again, you can adapt. It can adapt to any kind of lifestyle. If you're on the move, if you're at home, if you have children, you have a family. Sometimes some stuff is so complicated when it comes to the actual eating part too, that it may be like, well, mom is eating this, dad is eating that, the kids want this. No, with the Weight Watchers, you can make it really fit the meals, the whole family. And they don't even have to know they're eating healthier. Everybody's getting healthier at the same time, and they don't even know it, because a lot of the meals are good. I really want to focus on it. I know I keep saying it, so don't hold me to the fire yet. I just don't have time because I work. And I just don't. So I'm working on it though. Eventually I want to start doing some of those actual recipes. So once I can get them good, cooked where they taste well, I want to share that with you, because they have so many recipes. And that way, like I said, the whole family can get healthier, because our young people, guys, they're not going to be like me and my parents, where they can kind of push the edge and keep on playing with their blood sugar and keep playing with their blood pressure. Our young people are living straight on McDonald's. So see, I had my first 20-something years, my mom kind of controlling the food or whatever, you know, still eating semi-healthy at home. The way that things are processed have changed so much since I was younger, since you were younger probably. Now everything is just straight up processed, GMOs, fake this, fake that. Our children, in a few more years, it's not going to be pretty. It is not going to be pretty. So now is the time for us to even help our whole family, help our teenagers. A lot of parents be like, oh, my child only likes McDonald's. Hey, well, now is the time to kind of get that under control, because in another 5 or 6 years from now, your child gonna be diabetic, have high blood pressure, and all these different things that they already don't. Most kids are not even checked for this kind of stuff unless they are sickly or ill. Your child don't know what, you don't know what your child's A1C is. And the only reason I'm going on a little tangent about the children right now is because I was an obese child. Now, I'm not really obese, because when I go back and look at pictures, what people made me think I really wasn't that big. But my point is, now's the time to help the whole family. So that's one more thing that Weight Watchers does. Number 5 is flexible enough where you can modify your meal and modify everything where the whole family can actually benefit. And they don't even have to know they're on a diet. Even when you go out with your friends, they don't have to know you're doing Weight Watchers unless you tell them. You just order the way you're going to order. And they may see some physical changes, you know, or they notice, oh, why are you not ordering all the alcohol? Or don't you normally get, they may see it like that, but as a norm, on the regular, they won't be able to see the changes, because it's just stuff that you're already doing anyway. Okay? So those are the top 5 reasons that I love Weight Watchers. Supportive group, no forbidden foods, it's evidence. The facts are there. Facts are facts, 100. Personalized approach, and number 5, being flexible. So if you have not tried Weight Watchers, you're thinking about it, I don't work for them, but I do have my little referral link in the description box, where I get something a month free, or you get a month free, something. So check it out though. So click subscribe and share, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.